Hello, welcome to my channel Excelzilla. My name is Mubin, and in this video we are going to look at freezing panes. Over here I have a list of data, and the data is quite large, so when I scroll down, the first header goes away. Also, when I move on the right side, my first column also goes away, what is an order number. So we'll see how we can keep that first column and the row constant together as well as individually, and so this will help us to identify the order number and the row header easily. So if you need to just keep your first row freeze, example, we don't want to move this down, all you need to do is just go in view tab over here and go in freeze pane and click on this top row. So when I do this freeze pane on the top row, and when I scroll down with the help of my mouse or arrow key, the first row is constant, and I can easily scroll down over here. However, the next one is if I move on the right side, my first column is also moving. So I want to keep that first order number intact. So I will go over here and click on freeze first column. So when I do this, my first column has been freezed. However, when I move down, my row has gone, because either I can do this first row or first column. But how do we do both together? Okay, so all you need to do is just come over here and sit at B2. The reason is this is the first one, the second one from here, a row, and the second from the column. Just sit over here and click on freeze panes over here. That's it. Now both your column and row has been freeze. See, if I'm moving down like this, and also I'm moving down on the right side. So this way it will be very easy for yourself to scroll with the sheet. And I hope this Excel function was useful for you. If you have any doubts or questions, please post under the comment box. Also let me know which video you want me to make next. Thank you.